Hello guys, it's Tanspotty. I'm back again, but this time I'm going to be doing a tutorial. I'm guessing you guys do if anyone who ever encounters this issue, where if you try to connect to a voice channel and it comes up with this issue of no root, there is one method, 901 method, and this is usually to do with your DNS sometimes. If let's just say somebody's blocked you from like communications and all that, like if you want to access Facebook and Twitter. This also fixes that issue as well. So what I'm going to be doing here is showing you how to fix the DNS issue. First off, hold your Windows key, the one that allows you to get up there, and then the letter I together. It comes up with the settings, but because you can't get control panel here, it's easy for Windows 10. Just search control panel straight here. Simple as easy, simple enough. Well, I'll wait for you guys to catch up, and then go to network. If you're in category, I'd recommend you just change it from large icons to small icons back to category, as it's easy to find it. Then once you've done that, go to network and sharing. Once you've done network and internet, click it, and now it comes up with the internet. Because mine's a private network because I don't want anyone accessing it publicly. Click on your Ethernet or wirelessly, and it comes up with this gibberish stuff. Properties. This is now looking complex for you. All you need to know is this Internet Protocol version 4 is the one that's going to prop the reason why you can't access it. So click on Properties and from DNS, change it from obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. This one always it always works. Change the values just to 8.8.8.8. Then there's the second version, alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Then click OK. Close it. Close all that. And this should work. F1 it works. Trust me, I use it on myself. No more issue. So that's, guys, how you fix your DNS issue with Discord. I hope it's helpful for you. And I do hope to see you on another video. Bye guys.